Hello everyone! If you're new here, my name is Valerie. I make sewn tutorials and sewn patterns. And today I have an easy tutorial and pattern for a scarf top. It's super beginner friendly tutorial and you can sew it in about an hour. So if you are just starting your sewing journey, I definitely recommend giving it a try. As always, the link to the pattern will be in the description below, and I'd like to reward those of you who have notifications turned on. So the first 20 people who want to purchase this pattern will get a 30% discount. So let's get into the tutorial. So to make this top, we'll need 1 meter of stretchy fabric, elastic. I have latex, but it can be absolutely any type. The key is that it shouldn't be too wide. And a pattern, which you can find via the link in the video description. I recommend printing only the first page so you can check if the scale is correct by measuring the test square. It should be 5 by 5 centimeters. If everything is correct, you can print the full pattern. Then cut away the excess where scissors are marked and tape all the pages together. So I've cut out all the pieces. Our top is double layered, so we've got duplicates of each piece. And the back is a little bit smaller than the front. That's on purpose. So now place the back piece on the front with the right sides together and sew along the sides. I'm gonna do this in an overlocker, but if you don't have one, you can use a zigzag stitch on a regular sewing machine. Now, place one piece into the other, right sides together, and we're gonna sew all the way around the top edge. As I sew, I place the elastic under the stitch and gently stretch it, so the top fits snugly and stays in place on a bust. So I've sewn the top edge and turned the top right side out. It's important to turn it right side out now so you won't get confused later when we join the bottom. On one of the sides, I made a little opening in the seam through which we will connect the bottom. So put the bottom edges right sides together and pull them through this opening. We can fully turn the top inside out because it's basically a circle. So we're just gonna pull and pin as we go. So I fully pinned it, and now it should look like a tube, so that when we turn it right side out, it turns into a top. And now I'm just gonna sew all around this edge. Now turn the top right side out. And close this opening by hand using blind stitches. Now take the scarf pieces, place them right sides together, and sew along all 4 sides. Here I made a small opening And now I'm going to turn the scarf right side out through it. Now close this opening using blind stitches, and the top is ready. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is BadGalValerie. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye!